In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open your first trade on Exnes. We'll walk through the full process from account setup to placing your very first order in a simple and practical way. If you're completely new to trading, don't worry. The goal here is just to help you understand the basic flow clearly so you can follow along with confidence. First, go to the official Exnes website and register for an account. Make sure you are on the correct official site before entering any information. During registration, you'll be asked to create your account and set up your login details. Take your time here so everything is entered correctly from the beginning. Once your account is created, the next step is to set it up fully and complete verification. This part is important because verified accounts typically unlock full platform features and help keep your account secure. Follow the prompts in your personal area and submit the required details and documents if requested. It's a good idea to finish this step before moving on so you don't run into delays later. After that, fund your account by going to the deposit section in your personal area. Choose the payment method that works best for you, enter the amount you want to deposit, and complete the transaction. Before depositing, make sure you understand any minimum deposit requirements and processing times. Next, access a trading platform connected to your Exness account. Depending on what's available to you, this may be a web platform, desktop platform, or mobile app. Log into the platform using your trading account details so you can begin placing trades. Now you're ready to open your first trade. Start by navigating to the asset list or watch list. This is where you'll find the instruments available for trading, such as currency pairs, metals, indices, or other assets. Select the asset you want to trade so the order window can open. When you're in the order screen, decide on direction. If you believe the price will rise, click buy. If you believe the price will fall, click sell. This is the core decision behind every basic trade. Next, set your volume, which is your trade size and is usually measured in lots. This determines how large your position will be, so be careful here. Beginners often prefer to start small while they get comfortable with how the platform works. You can also set risk management options, which are optional but strongly recommended. These tools can help you manage potential loss or lock in profit automatically, which is especially useful when you're still learning. Finally, review everything carefully, then click confirm or the buy or sell button to execute the order. Once that's done, your trade is active in the market, and that's how to open your first trade on Exness.